mounting a train horn.
Alright, got the horns mounted. I don't know if you can see them. Train horns. And I'm going to be building a bracket to put that right here. So I drilled these holes out with that reamer bit or cone. And then I tapped them with a 1/2 inch. I tapped this one, the other one was 7/16. So once I tapped them, now I can get a hallway in. And I gotta do that one, and that one. Then I'm gonna make a bracket to hold that. Got my wheel rings for weight, so got the brackets fabbed up. I'm gonna go ahead and take this loose and fully weld it. It's just tack and drill my holes to mount the compressor combo, and using a pneumatic tool and stuff. So I'm gonna pull it down. Okay, here go our bracket. I'm holding it because it's still hot. It's fully welded up. I'm gonna drill my holes in it now. I'm just waiting for this paint to cure a little more. I painted it while it was hot, so it'll cure faster. And I'm gonna mount that on it. Okay, got everything buttoned back up. Got my WeatherTech floor mat in. Here's the one for the wheel rings. And then the train horn is right there, so need to clean all that stuff. So
Let's see. Refills in 27 seconds.
And I gotta shrink these still. Then I'm gonna cover those up.
Test it.